Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you an amazing, light, refreshing dessert for Ponche Creme Mousse. So you guys are going to actually love this one, and I think it will be a perfect dessert to share this Christmas or New Year's. So let's jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. So to my pot, we're going to make our Ponche Creme. I'm adding in custard to my milk, and I'm going to whisk that in, and you're going to do this while the milk is at room temperature or cold milk. Don't do it when it's hot. In goes cinnamon and nutmeg. And I wanted to tell you guys, if you didn't want to make this and you have leftover Ponche Creme, you can use your leftover Ponche Creme for this recipe. In goes my eggs, and I'm going to break up those eggs into the milk and give it a nice whisk. Now this goes on your stove on a low heat, and you're going to add in your condensed milk to sweeten. Add as much or as little as you want. In goes a few dashes of this Angostura cocoa bitters. This cocoa bitters is really amazing if you have not tried it. Now goes in some essence, and I'm using almond essence, but you can use any essence that you have on hand. Next, mix everything and just allow it to warm through. We just want to make sure that the eggs are nice and cooked, but you don't want to scramble the eggs. So set that aside once it's done, and to a big bowl, I'm adding in my heavy cream or whipping cream. Go ahead and give this a whip until it's two nice, firm peaks. If you had any media cream or table cream left over from Diwali, you can throw it here into this also. So once it's at firm peaks, we're going to go ahead and add some rum extract now to our base. Now, if you wanted, you can also add rum to this if you like, but I prefer using the extract. So use whatever you would like, guys. So once that has been mixed in, we're going to pour it into our whipped cream. I didn't add any sugar or icing sugar to the whipped cream because the Ponche Creme itself is nice and sweet, and that sweetness will carry through into the cream itself. So you're going to go ahead and continue adding and mixing. You don't want to deflate the cream. So once it's mixed in properly, you can go ahead and pour this out into your little serving cups. You could even store this as is in the fridge and just serve it the day off you're ready to serve it. So I actually put mine into my container or cup first, and then I put it into the fridge. And that way, it makes it easier when it's time to serve it. All I did next was I put the cherry on top and placed it into the fridge. And that's as easy as it is to make this recipe. So remember, as I said, if you have that leftover cream from Diwali and you don't know what to do with it, add it to this recipe. This is it after it's been sitting in the fridge. It's nice and airy and light, and it's super refreshing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you all for requesting it. If you guys make it, comment down below and let me know what you think. Remember guys, as I said, if you have leftover Ponche Creme and you want to try this recipe, just go ahead and use that. So thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Do continue to stay safe so you can have a happy holiday season. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everyone.